Hello friends, welcome back to my channel KHB Tech.
Here we are going to repair a Bluetooth speaker and this is a PCB of it.
First of all, we need to check the charging connector. Here it is a path of it. It is directly going to the diode. So let's check the charging of it by giving the 5 voltage with the help of battery booster. I'm going to connect the positive wire to the diode here and negative wire to the ground, and you can see that it is charging properly. You can see that it is taking the ampere. It means it is charging properly. Now let's check the connector by checking the voltage. Here the battery is okay, therefore it is showing the 3.4 voltage. Now let's check the battery connector. It is not taking the 5 voltage. It means what? Our battery connector is not good, so we need to change the battery connector. Here I am using the hot air gun to remove the battery connector. Just heat it and we can remove the battery connector like this. See, we removed it successfully. Now after cleaning it, we need to replace it by new one. It is good if you get the same connector as the old one, but in my case the pins of connector are not matching with a PCB track, so we need to jumper for it. I'm keep updating videos related to the electronics, so if you liking the series, please share the videos and subscribe my channel. So you can see, as I told, I jumped the red wire directly from the positive of the pin to the diode, and negative is the ground, therefore no need to connect it. Now let's assemble the parts of it. First of all, PCB by the side of the body, and then the battery. Speaker is a side. See, the speaker is turning on, and let's check the charging also. I am connecting the connector here. You can see the red bulb is glowing, therefore it is a charging sign. I hope you are liking my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.